Morning student. Today is the subject accountancy. We will start back questions. Chapter 8 bank reconciliation statement. Okay. Question 1. On 13th April 2000 they were debited balance 40,000 in the bank account of A. As per his cash book, it was subsequently discovered that first, a bank draft of rupees 62,000 received in April has been collected and credited in the bank, but the same has no been entered in the cash book. आपने एक बैंक ड्राफ्ट कलेक्शन के लिए बैंक में सेंड किया बट कलेक्ट नहीं हुआ. आप बना रहे हैं बैलेंस एज पर कैश बुक. आपको केवल ये ध्यान रखना है कि क्या क्या यहाँ पे डेबिटेड होगा और क्या क्या क्रेडिटेड होगा. देन सेकेंड, चेक अकाउंटिंग रुपीज़ 6,000 were deposited in the bank but not yet collected. Then third is the passbook shows as credit of rupees 350 is interest on investment collected by bank and debited of bank charges. Then fourth is a customer deposit 1,000 direct in the bank account but it was entered only the passbook. As per cash book में जो added transactions हैं वो है first is issued check. फर्स्ट इज इशूड चेक बट नॉट प्रेजेंटेड टू पेमेंट. अगर ऐसा है तो ये प्लस होगा. देन नेक्स्ट इज बैंक ओवरड्राफ्ट. बैंक ड्राफ्ट डिपॉजिटेड एंड क्रेडिटेड बाय बैंक बट नॉट ओमिटेड टू एंटर्ड इन कैश बुक. और नेक्स्ट एडिंग का जो ट्रांजेक्शन है, इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट कलेक्टेड बाय बैंक not entered in cash book and direct payment by customer into the bank. This transactions is always debited. This transactions is always added in the balance as per passbook debit balance. And check deposit of bank not yet collected is less. And bank expenses charged by bank not entered in cash book is always less. So solve the question. Back question 1. Bank reconciliation statement of A as on April 30, 2000. Balance as per cash book debit 40,000. The pro forma of bank reconciliation statement. First is heading bank reconciliation statement. Then below as on date, particular date. As on April 30, 2000, particular amount and amount. Balance as per cash book debit balance 40,000. Added bank draft deposit on credit by bank but not omitted the entered in cash book 62,000. Second, interest on investment collected by bank not entered in cash book 350. Then next, direct payment by customer into the bank. 62, 350 and 1000. Actually 63, 350 is added. As per cash book debit balance is 40 and added amount is 63, 350. The total amount is 10350. Okay. And less than check deposit into the bank but not yet collected 6,000. Bank expenses charged by bank but not entered in cash book. Check deposit into the bank but not yet collected 6,000 and bank expenses is 40,000. 6040 is less. 103,350 में हम माइनस करेंगे 6040. तो क्रेडिट बैलेंस एज पर पासबुक इज 97,310. ओके. तो ये मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि यदि आप कैश बुक के डेबिट बैलेंस को लेके सॉल्व करते हैं तो क्या ऐड होगा और क्या लेस होगा। ओके।